watershed is called rainwater harvesting and it is useful to recharge underground water level. Our model shows both AS waterfall on the rooftop. Tank 1 is water tank, tank 2 is underground water. Tank 1 will collect the rain and it is useful for drinking purpose. Tank 2 is useful for washing clothes, watering plants in the garden, and it is useful for animals and it increases the ground level water. Now, benefit of rainwater harvesting: meet the increasing demand for water, improve the quality of groundwater, reduce groundwater pollution, reduce soil erosion, supplement household requirement of water during the hot summer. It prevents seawater ingress into fresh water, aquifers, urban flooding can be controlled. Now my friend will continue.
Reduce water demand from the public water supply which is done reduces energy consumption in the water distribution network.
Store rainwater, conserve rainwater,
Increase the ground level water.
Thank you.